Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy chignon hairstyle. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face. Now just secure the rest of the hair into a low ponytail. Divide this ponytail in half. Then we're just going to pop a clear elastic band just past the shoulders on each ponytail. Now all we're going to do is take our fingers and just pull a small section of hair out on the left hand side and pop your fingers behind it. Pass the right hand side of that ponytail to your fingers and pull it through to the left hand side, and then just secure it to the head with a couple of bobby pins. And we're going to repeat this on the opposite side, so loosen up a little bit of hair on the right hand side and pop your fingers through. Take the left hand side of the ponytail, bring it up to your fingers and pull it all the way through that little loop of hair. Hold it to the head and secure with a couple of bobby pins. So taking those two tail ends, we're going to bring them together underneath and tie them together with another clear elastic band. Then all we're simply going to do is tuck that underneath the chignon and pin it in place. Now starting on the right hand side, I'm going to push the chignon towards the nape of the neck and secure it with a few bobby pins to keep it secure. And then we're just going to repeat this on the left hand side. Apply some texture spray all over the head, and then we're going to pinch and pull at the hair to create a little bit of texture. And then ever so gently pinch and pull the chignon to give it a little bit more volume. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.